Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'm gonna show you what to do if Avowed are not launching. So, if you're stuck that your game cannot launch, there are some possible scenarios how to fix it. First, in your Steam, right-click on Avowed, then Properties, Installed File, and verify integrity of game files. Just click it. I won't right now because it takes some time. Then the other option is Avowed, then manage and browse local files. Now copy this path and in your Windows go to graphics setting. Then add an app. Select desktop app and browse, and here paste your path, then click on Avowed and add. Now you have Avowed in here, just click options and high performance and save. The other one, I'll close it, okay. The other option is right click on Avowed, then manage, browse local files, click on Avowed and run as administrator. And I think that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.